Okay, over here, of course, I have my Gmail. All right, and now Gmail actually has the Gemini AI inside it. All right, and it can do quite a lot of things. All right, but you can also get it to respond mail for you. All right, so okay, I'm just gonna open this advertisement. All right, that I subscribe to this Me Listen, okay, and I'm going to click on Gemini, and you can see you can summarize, you can list an action, or well, in this case, oh, okay, I'm not going to actually reply, but if you get a email, you can actually ask, all right, for a suggestion in the reply. All right, so let's try this. Suggest a reply to this email, right, that are brief and use an informal tone, and then you can see, so they give you some option here already, right? So you can say thanks, I'll check it out, all right, no thank you, okay, and so forth. See that? Right. So learn to make use of Gemini AI, right, and together with your email, makes life a lot easier.